Local news that matters. This is CBS 17 News.
Advocates for abortion rights say North Carolina has become a safe haven as neighboring states put new restrictions in place. Good evening. Thanks for joining us. I'm Angela Taylor.
And I'm Russ Bowen. But there is a big sticking point. A North Carolina judge could reinstate a ban on certain procedures as early as next week.
Right. Our Capitol reporter Michael Hyland is live in Raleigh. And Michael, abortion opponents say it's almost certain that'll happen.
Right, Democratic Attorney General Josh Stein talked to us about this today. His office has not pushed to get that ban reinstated, but he said they are going to weigh in on this before the judge issues his decision. As nearby states put new restrictions on abortion in place, providers in North Carolina say they're seeing a sharp increase in patients from those states. No laws have changed here since the Supreme Court overturned Roe v. Wade, but they could soon. A federal judge is considering whether to reinstate North Carolina's ban on abortions after 20 weeks, with limited exceptions. That judge had blocked it, citing Roe v. Wade.
This issue matters to millions of North Carolinians, and I represent them as their Attorney General.
Democratic Attorney General Josh Stein has not pushed for the judge to reinstate the ban. He said his office will submit a brief before the deadline early next week, but wouldn't say exactly what it'll include.
They are consulting with their clients, and I'm sure finalizing their draft. We'll see what they say on Monday.
It's almost a certainty that that law will go back into effect.
Tammy Fitzgerald leads the NC Values Coalition and says there's no basis for blocking that law anymore. But her group is also focused on the election, which will determine if Republicans in the legislature win enough seats to implement further restrictions.
In order to make North Carolina pro-life again, in order to sustain those laws, we have to have these majorities.
Democratic Congresswoman Deborah Ross says the fact that voters in Kansas rejected a measure on Tuesday that could have led to a ban on abortion there may be a sign of how this issue will impact the election here.
The fact that Kansas was the canary in the coal mine for this, and we got that kind of result, I think sends a very, very strong message to the rest of the country.
The judge overseeing the case dealing with the state's 20-week abortion ban has already said that his decision to block that law now appears to run contrary to the law, and he could issue a new decision about that pretty soon after the deadline for the parties to file their briefs in that case early next week. Live in Raleigh, Michael Hyland, CBS 17 News.
All right, Michael, thank you.